Hi guys, today's recipe I'll be making lamb curry. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. I actually used 500 grams of lamb, and you'll need some peppercorns, some cloves, and also the next one will be cinnamons, onions, and tomatoes, some chilies, coriander powder, Greek yogurt, ginger, garlic ginger paste, salt, and then peppercorns, and then turmeric powder and garam masala. Just need to add oil to the pan. Normally I just start off a little bit. I don't really add that much, and I use olive oil to be healthier. I normally just use olive oil for my cooking nowadays. And after that, you can just add in the peppercorns and the cloves, and just for a bit. After, you can add the onions, and once they are translucent, and you can actually add in the ginger and garlic paste to cook as well. And then after you get a certain aroma, once it's cooked, then you can go on to the next step. Usually I'm more of like a eyeball kind of person. I just eyeball the ingredients, but of course you can just follow the recipe. I like to add sometimes a little bit more of some things, so you just need to stir well, and once it's cooked, then you can add in the cinnamon sticks, and after that you can just add in the meat. And lamb takes a long time to cook, so you can just add in and then let it cook for a while, and just stir well and make sure that it doesn't get burned, and just continue cooking it until it's well done and able to, it's soft and tender. After I actually add in the chili, and then just continue stirring and allow it to cook. Can add the salt, and after a bit you can start adding the powders, the turmeric powder and the garam masala, and also the coriander powder as well. Just ensure that they are mixed well together, and also that the meat is coated with the powders. Can add in water and allow the meat to cook, to become tender, and also just carry on mixing once in a while. Add in the tomatoes, and normally you can actually use tomato puree, but I prefer to use the real tomatoes itself, and allow it to cook. So just continue stirring and allow the curry to thicken. Then once it's actually thickened like this, then you can just carry on as long as the meat is cooked, and then you can go on to the next step, which is adding in the Greek yogurt to finish it off. This is actually like a healthier version instead, because usually like you can add in coconut milk instead of Greek yogurt, which I mean at times I do use coconut milk instead of Greek yogurt if I want it to be a bit more better tasting. But of course Greek yogurt it still does taste nice. So just mix well and then turn off the fire before you mix, and then you are done. So you just need to proceed to add the coriander leaves to garnish. I love coriander, so I actually add quite a bit, and that's it, you are done. And you can just enjoy it with rice or rotis or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like the recipe and try it and let me know how you like it as well.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses